Belle Tress is on their way to perfecting bangs. There have been a lot of new bang styles coming out from Belle Tress in 2022 and then again now in 2023. I am wearing the style called Destiny in Butterbeer Blonde, and Destiny features a 4.5-inch undercut bang. And it is one of those styles that is so eminently more wearable compared to those with a really long front. A lot of us love bangs for lots of different reasons. First and foremost for me is wearability. I can always wear a bang style with more ease. I can set it and forget it. I don't have to worry about stringy sides. I don't have to worry about it getting in the face. But there is another side benefit of bangs, and that is that it's youthful. I've heard somebody say it's like Botox in a wig because it covers up wrinkles and things. A lot of ladies really enjoy bangs, especially as you mature. But bangs are also coming on the scene as a part of a fashion statement as well. I think they're really coming back, but they have to be done well. And Belle Tress does that. First of all, their bangs are a very light density bang, and it's multiple layers within the bang. So it's not straight across, thick, angular. That's a very hard look. Their bangs are more soft and they blend in a superior way. So if you take a look at their bangs, and this one's about 4.5 inches, and if I was keeping this style to wear, I would have to go in and trim it just because I'm only 3 inches from hairline to brow. But it's a nice undercut bang, you can see. And what I mean by that is that they go from temple to temple with the bang, but then it's overlapped by some of the longer layers, giving it the appearance of being undercut. And that helps it blend back into the style better. You can see that it's notch cut on the ends, which gives it a nice wispy modern look. It's multiple layering. It's a nice what I call dirty bang. It's not straight across, it's just irregular in certain places. So it's just done so well. You can pair this with any length. You could have a pixie cut with bangs. You could have a short curly bob with bangs. You could have, this one is a mid-length, straight, classically inspired bob with bangs. There's just so much you can do. You can have long styles with bangs, and that makes them so much more wearable. So I have to include this Destiny in my 2023 best bangs, best new bangs. Last year, I think they were pretty much all Belle Tress. There might have been one other brand that I featured in my best bangs. But this style here, I really like it too because it has some underwave to it. It doesn't have a lot of permatease, but the round look is coming just from sort of the waviness of the fiber, and it's not a high profile. So you can definitely get a slimmer look out of it. And again, like I say, you can trim that bang to suit. You can tuck, you can wear it in an updo. It's always going to be flattering. And that's because of these bangs. Okay, so let's take a look. There's another style that I have been wearing a lot this year. It was new for 2023, and it also features bangs. So I ordered a second one of these. This is Morning Storm by Belle Tress. And you'll see on letter K here is the one I have in Champagne with Apple Pie. This new one's in Tres Leches Blonde, a beautiful soft blonde with more or less a cool, soft brown root. It's creamy, the blend, and I really love a light blonde. The shorter my hair is, the lighter I think I want to go because I don't like really light, long wig styles. It just seems to be too much, and I like more variation in the color. But I like my light blondes on these shorter ones. So Morning Storm came on the scene in 2023, and I'm so happy with it. It's an adorable, short, curly style with bangs. And you see there's a little bit of an angle here. Some wedge, kind of a stacked look all the way around. A loose, textured curl. It's soft, there's very little permatease. It moves beautifully. So all I did was I took it out of the box, I fluffed it, and then I went to put a contour in. Now when you have bangs, you could certainly take these bangs away from the face to expose the lace front, and that's cute too, but I prefer to wear a little bit of a bang down and then build in the contour just behind the bang. And so that gives me the profile I like while still showing off those bangs. Very low permatease. It's just an adorable style, but the bangs really make it. I would not like this as much if it had a long side on it, like let's say the new one that came out called Valencia, which is a short, but it has longer sides. I'd have to put a bang in Valencia in order to wear it. So I'm so glad that these bangs are ready-made right out of the box. Share with me your favorite style this year that has bangs. I would love to hear from you. These are just a couple of my favorites from 2023. Everybody have a great day and great 2024. We'll see you soon.